When it came time to upgrade the steering wheel on Project Betty, I wanted to go with a 14-inch wheel, and I wanted that classic look yet modern, and the CJ Classics Black Forest wheel fits the bill perfectly. We're still getting that wood grain look and feel, but with the black wood grain, the GT350 style spokes, and then the black center gives it a much more modern feel. This will be a direct replacement for the factory steering wheel on your 65 through 67 Mustang, and includes the horn ring, adapter, and all necessary hardware for installation. So the first step in the process to install the steering wheel is to remove your factory horn ring. To do that, you're going to push and then turn, and it'll pop off with a spring. Before we bring out the steering wheel puller, which we're probably going to need, we're going to try it the old-fashioned way. Start by removing this nut. And put it on just 1 or 2 threads. And then give your steering wheel a tug. We actually got lucky and ours popped off. Now grab your adapter. You're gonna have wires in the front here. Again, these contacts on the back. We'll touch the original contacts here. Push that on, grab the original nut. And we'll tighten that down. Now this trim ring here on the back is designed to fill the gap between the adapter and the column. Simply put it back into place. There's going to be 2 little set screws. The wrench is included for these. Tighten them both down. I will mention, since this does turn, make sure you give yourself just a tiny little gap so that way it doesn't rub. All right, install the wheel. Basically, you're going to want to sort of hold it, put the wires through the wheel, connect both wires to the back of the horn button. Kind of want to line everything up now. I grab the provided hardware here. Now just put a little bit of Loctite, blue Loctite, on all these screws since it is your steering wheel. And just get them all loosely put in before you tighten anything down. Our CJ Classics Black Forest wheel fits the bill perfectly. It's a smaller diameter, it fits with the performance seats and the performance cluster, but the wood grain still gives it that vintage feel we were looking for. Definitely a nice upgrade for our interior. Make sure you keep it here for more upgrades on Project Betty.